everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your avatar in Real Boxing 2. Real Boxing 2 allows players to customize their boxer looks, including the avatar that represents you in the game. First of all, launch open Real Boxing 2 on your Android or iOS device and wait for the game to load. Once it does, from the main menu, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner right in front of your nickname. Now, in the profile section, tap the pencil button right above your picture. On the next page, select a different avatar you want to change to. Click on it and click on the change button to change your avatar. There are other avatars available that needs to be purchased via diamonds or coins. You can also buy your avatars from this section. So once you do that, your avatar will change in your profile as you can see it. So that is how you easily change your avatar in Real Boxing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.